I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quilted Christmas stockings. Let's start by gathering your essential supplies. You'll need about 1 yard of festive cotton fabric for the exterior and lining, plus a ½ yard of medium loft cotton batting. Don't forget your basic sewing tools like a machine, thread, scissors, and pins. Having everything ready before you begin makes the quilting process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation ensures a beautiful, handmade stocking. Next, we'll move on to cutting and quilting your stocking pieces. First, trace and cut out your stocking pattern from both your chosen fabrics and the batting. Then, create a quilt sandwich by layering your exterior fabric, batting, and lining. Now, it's time to quilt. You can choose simple straight lines, a classic crosshatch, or free motion designs. Using a walking foot on your sewing machine will help keep all 3 layers moving evenly, ensuring a smooth, professional finish for your stocking. Now that your pieces are quilted, let's assemble the stocking. Place your quilted stocking pieces right sides together and sew around the edges, leaving the top open. Next, prepare your cuff. This can be a contrasting fabric for a pop of color. Fold and press the cuff, then attach it to the top edge of your stocking. Finally, create a small fabric loop, about 6 inches long, and securely sew it into the cuff seam. This loop is perfect for hanging your beautiful creation. For our final slide, we'll focus on finishing touches and embellishments. Turn your stocking right side out and gently press all the seams flat for a crisp, professional look. Now comes the fun part, personalizing. You can add decorative embroidery, sew on festive buttons, or applique a special design. Consider adding a name or initial to make each stocking truly unique. These small details transform a simple stocking into a cherished holiday heirloom, ready to be filled with joy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.